Okay, so you go in like normal. Then you go to new campaign. Then you go as if you're sending the campaign. So you go to design email over here, and that's where all of our templates are saved. It's ridiculous. So this is the one I'm working on for the 2-hour delay or lack thereof. So I just edited one of the templates, and then I'm going to just click in here to edit this. We also want to remind you that tomorrow is not a half day, that tomorrow, okay, we want to remind you that school will end at 1:55, right? Is it 1:55 tomorrow? Have a great night. Okay, so when you're done with this and you want to save it, see up here where it says review and send. Click this little arrow down and do save my campaign. And now click review and send. Okay. What the heck? Maybe not. All right. Let's see if this works. Guggenheim HSA. Subject is test. HSA. You won't have a T.
No, you want to touch that. No. Wait, why can't they do that at our regular school? Daddy can. I remember
Okay, email. Oh, wait. What is that? That's the subject. Who is sending this email? Oh, what the heck just happened?
No, wait, I had 25.
Name Guggenheim. No, sorry.
What did you have? You had 20, and I just had 16. Yeah. And that means I get the ball.
Oh my goodness. This is beyond.
I'm on offense.
Beyond annoying.
Wait, I'm on offense. No, I am.
Okay, so what's it do? The send. Okay, this way, sorry. This is what I meant to click, is review and send. So add a subject.
I got a cat. Found it. Catch. I want you to get a turnover. And I got a cat. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Whatever, you'll get 5 nods, I guess. 5. How did you know? 5.
Now, you just have to confirm that what you did is correct and that it's saved, because that's the whole trouble I was having. Things weren't saving. So, is that 2 periods or is my screen dirty? No, my screen was dirty. Haha. Okay, select recipients. All right, and then we go to this. Newsletter test readers, save, and send.
You never go.
So basically everything is hidden now. So I hope that's helpful, and I can help you with it further. And if you can't hear because my kids are screaming, I'm sorry.